I would want to recognize our partners in this journey because it's not a journey that we're doing alone. So these are all people that we've been working with to make sure that we achieve the milestones, right? We have about 5,000 farmers in Chankuzo alone that we're working with. And the plan this year is based on the quantity we did last year, which was about 1,000 tons. This year, we intend to increase that by 80%, which is a lot, right? And this requires a lot of investments also from Brarudi. We are doing a lot of work to make sure that we work closely to also build up the farmers. So in the end, it's not just about Brarudi, it's also about developing the community through the farmers. I would like to mention that we have a project we call the Local Sourcing Project. And what is it about is to ensure that all the raw materials that we use, even the packaging materials that we use, that we buy them from within the region. That's the East African region. So for this year, our target between now and 2025 is to make sure that 73% of our materials we use in Brarudi are from within the region. And out of these 73%, about 42% will be from Burundi. Yeah? So that's a big task for us. It's a big target, but we are sure that with all the partners we have and also with the farmers, we'll be able to achieve that. And one of the key ways that we'll do that is to improve how the farmers work, which is why we have this, right? The thresher. So instead of the manual process that we use to heat and get the seeds out, this will make it easier for the farmers. It's just the beginning, right? Hopefully, as we have planned, in the next 5, 6, 7 years, we should be able to get 100% of our sorghum from Burundi. And that's a big target. It's a tall task. But with, again, the farmers we have and the partnerships we have, we will be able to do that. So this is a way to encourage the farmers and also to say thank you, right, for all the efforts that you have been putting over the years. And we look forward to being able to deliver more together. So who drinks Viva Malt here? So it's also good for you to know that your labor, the efforts that you're doing is also going into producing some of these beautiful brands that you drink, like Viva Malt, right?